Hey y'all, okay, so in this tutorial I am going to glam my Barbie doll on up, and what I mean by that is make it all glittery. Now of course what you'll need for this tutorial is glitter, Mod Podge, sponges, a black marker. I'm not as sure yet if I'm going to use it. Y'all know I always get stuff and I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. Tape and eraser. So the first step you want to do is tape whatever you don't want glitter. Now I am going to, of course, tape the lights on the front and tape the lights on the back. I already done that, except for one, so that I can show you what exactly I mean. So this will not be glitter. We want to put tape on it, just like that. And then you want to use your razor and just cut around it. So get it on the angle, everywhere you don't want glitter. And I got the little tweezers so we can kind of press down into the cracks, like that. Okay, then you want to use your razor and just trim around it. I don't know if you guys can see this because I'm trying to cut this awkwardly. Okay. Okay. Just like that. So you will cover whatever you don't want glitter. When I bought it, it comes with like the mirrors, but it was no need to install yet because I don't want glitter to be on it. I don't want to mess it up. There's really no need to cover this. So what I'm going to do now is gather all of my supplies in front of me and we'll get started then. Okay, we're about to be glittered down. And I went to Walmart and bought all of my supplies in the art and craft section. Well, I already had Mod Podge, but you can buy this at Walmart, your local craft store. It's even in the dollar store. It's everywhere. And glitter, I bought it from Walmart. I don't remember the exact price. You will need a lot. I'm not sure how many, so I think I just bought 1, 2, 3, 4. I bought 5 just to be on the safe side. You want to go ahead and open your glitter. Open your glitter, open your glue. I don't know how to open it, y'all. I don't even know if this is the correct way to open it, but it's working. Okay, so that's open. You just want to apply. I never did this before. I don't know how this is going to turn out. But I always have confidence in myself. I seen an inspirational picture that somebody DM'd to me. This is the picture right here. And I just was like, I want to try. So, yeah. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't know if this is the method that you're supposed to use. I'm just putting 2 and 2 together. I don't know, y'all. Don't judge me. So you do want to work in an area where it's best to work on hardwood floor because it's easy to clean the glitter up. But wherever your craft station at, just lay something down because it's going to be a lot of glitter. So take your glue, dump it onto something, and I guess apply wherever you want glitter. So, you know, I want the whole card glitter. So I'm just going to apply a nice amount. Get up in them lights. Okay. Because you want everywhere glitter. Everywhere. Maybe I should have put some close to the windshield. And then you want to dump. I don't know. Oh, y'all, this is going to take a long time. Or maybe it's the way I open mine up. I'm not sure, but I know when this is finished, it's going to look so bomb. I hope. I don't know. So continue just throwing glitter wherever you want glitter to be at on your car. And I think this is dope. Like, this is Christmas coming up, so this would be a bomb. If somebody would have got me this for Christmas, I'm trying to tell you, I would have been pumped. And yes, I'm 28 and I like this stuff. So what I'm going to do is put tape right here, because I don't, should I? Yes, I am. I'm going to cover that on up, because I don't want that to, I really don't want glitter on that. I want it to look like the car came like this. And this, like, your daughter will love you, or somebody that likes Barbies will love you if you do this for them. And if you do this, please DM me a picture on Instagram showing me, so that I can repost. Okay, so I'm just going to try to add that all the way down somehow. Okay, it's getting there. All right, okay. All right, so you want to continue adding, and you might got to keep overlaying it. I'm just going to quote it one time first before I quote it again. This is how it's looking so far. So I'm going to go ahead and do the whole entire card, and wish me luck, because I don't know the outcome. Okay, y'all, so far this is how it's looking. And this is just with one quote. I didn't quote it a second time as of yet. And I'm still on the first bottle. So it's possible you don't even need that many that I got over there. But best to have more than not enough. So I just went on and glittered the whole entire car. And of course glitter will get inside. But once it's all dry up, you can just take a rag and clean it up, or Q-tip. That's what I'm going to use, a Q-tip, and clean it up. Windex the mirrors, and yeah. So I'm going to let this first quote dry, and then I will do my second quote and show you guys how it turned out. Now, when the glitter do, I did want to mention, when the glitter do drop down, have something that you can scoop up and reuse that. So it's possibly you only need one to cover this car. So yeah, that was kind of cool. Waste my money, but it's fine. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a second quote. And I'm just giving it a second quote so I can cover up some of that paint that's showing. And I kind of got the flash off, but once I put the flash on, it will be sparkly as ever. So again, I'm going to let this dry and then do my second quote and show you guys the outcome. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. If it's any video that you wish to see, just comment and I'm sure I can get it done. Okay, y'all, I am all finished, and I was so pressed to put them inside to see the outcome that I did not even clean the inside of the car or the wheels. But they look, this is so pretty. It came out so beautifully. You only need one thing of glitter, Mod Podge, patience, lots of patience. And of course a Barbie doll to complete this look. And this is the outcome of this Barbie car. It's super pretty. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now, because you never know what you're going to find on this channel. I do literally everything that you can think of. And if I can't do it, I know somebody that can do it, that can teach me, and I can teach you. Again, monkey see, monkey do. I can do it, so can you. If you do this for Christmas gift or whenever you do it, just DM me a picture on Instagram so that I can see, because I would love to post. Again, I hope you found this tutorial useful. And again, until next time, happy holidays.